Our Miss Langerie na average score of 89%.
Pataas na rin, partner, ha?
Plus Miss Sexy Body Beautiful number. Number 8.
Miss Sexy Body Beautiful. Number 8, congratulations! You're so beautiful and sexy, ha?
Ay, kaya ang ating napakaganda, ang ganda.
Ang manika ng barangay maganda. Walang iba.
Take a picture.
Picture muna. Yung ilaw daw mo.
Yung ilaw ko. At syempre,
Congratulations.
na rin natin patagalin pa.
Yes, once again, congratulations, Miss Sexy Body Beautiful number 8 for winning Best Lingerie. Ayan. May naman next natin ay Mr. Lingerie naman, partner, with an average score of 84%. Ayan, yun ang partner.
Our Mr. Sexy Body Beautiful. Plus 2. Number 10.
Mr. Body Beautiful number 10. Ayan, diba? Grabe. Sige, water na. Plastic ka dapat. JP, ano na. Once again.
Ipinaan po natin yung ating judge.
Once again, congratulations, Mr. Sexy Body Beautiful number 10 for winning the Mr. Lingerie. Ayan, di ba? Ngayon naman.
At syempre, partner, i-award na rin natin, dire-diretso na natin na our Miss Bikini. Our Miss Bikini with an average score of 89%.
Ayan, sino kaya?
Our Miss Bikini kasi Miss Bikini number 3.
Miss Body Beautiful number 3. Congratulations, everyone. Ayan.
Ay, to be awarded by
Ayan, ba ng mga organizer?
Yes.
Boss B.
Se tiver muito excitada, pode dançar pelada.
Huwag naman sa balat ikit.
Take a picture.
Balança a bunda agora, eu quero ver você descer. Balança a bunda
Thank you so
agora, eu
much.
quero ver você descer.
Jay, hindi kayo busy.
Congratulations.
Number 3.
Baka kami
At
ni Kuya
syempre,
Wawi
partner,
mo.
award na rin natin patagalin pa. I-award na rin natin ang Mr. Bikini. With an average score of 87%.
Taas, ang 87%.
Our Mr. Bikini Goso!
Walanday Bikini Open.
Mr. Bikini number
Morning na.
number 3.
Ayan.
Pode
Mr.
ser.
Sexy Body. Number
Pode
3. Congratulations. Ayan.
Se tiver muito
Ang cute mo naman
excitada,
sa
pode dançar
malapit.
pelada. Se tiver muito
Take a
excitada,
picture.
pode dançar pelada. Eu tô vidrada em você.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations,
Quero ver
Mr.
você
Sexy Body Beautiful.
At syempre,
Number 3.
iimbitahan po natin yung ating tatlong judge para mag-award na yung ating sino ba ang ating tatakaling Mr. and Miss Sexy Body Beautiful. And i-award na rin natin ang kanilang certificate.
Yes, partner. Nag-iinit na ang ating stage. Yan, their certificate of appreciation and certificate presented to our judge for sharing his or her expertise as a judge during the Bikini Open held on April 25, 2025 at Barangay Malanday, Marikina City.
Tinatawagan ko our first judge, Ms. Janelle Beseno. Palakpakan po natin.
Yan, the very famous Janelle Beseno. Yan, your makeup artist. Yeah, sudah token. Picture muna. so much, Miss
And our
Gina.
second judge sa Barangay Malanday, palakpakan din natin, Mr. John Paulo De Mundo.
Ayan. Certificate and token. Ayan, thank you so much po. Picture mo na.
And our last
So
judge, Miss Mika Francon.
Ayan, this is our Diyosa ng Malanday 2023. Ayan, thank you so much.
Take a picture. DC. Once again, Barangay Malanday, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating tatlong nagpipitagang mga hurado. Maraming salamat at dyan na rin kayo para i-award na natin kung sino ba ang ating tatanghaling Mr. and Miss Sexy Body Beautiful 2025.
Alternate ba to or men muna, man? Alternate?
Alternate na lang tayo. Unahin muna natin ang ating Miss Sexy Body Beautiful second runner-up. Muli, ang ating uunahin ay girls, susundan ng boys. Muli, Miss Sexy Body Beautiful second runner-up.
Runner-up with an average score of 91.33%, partner.
Our Miss Sexy Body Beautiful second runner-up goes to Miss Sexy Body Beautiful second runner-up goes to candidate number 3.
Congratulations, Miss Sexy Body Beautiful number 3. Today, right? Ayan, congratulations sa ating
Sure.
Sexy Body Beautiful number 3. Ayan.
At syempre, huwag na rin natin matagalin pa, i-award na rin natin ang ating Mr. Sexy Body Beautiful at second runner-up.
Yes, with an average score of 88.67%, partner.
Our Mr. Sexy Body Beautiful second runner-up goes to candidate number number 11.
Congratulations, our Mr. Sexy Body Beautiful number 11 for winning second runner-up to our Bikini Open 2025.
Sure po.
To be awarded by our Judge Janelle.
Isili na tayo. At syempre, at syempre, huwag na rin natin matagalin pa. Partner, tawagin na rin natin our Miss Bikini first runner-up.
Yes, with an average score of 93%.
Our Miss Bikini first runner-up. Candidate number 8.
Congratulations, Miss Body Beautiful number 8. Ayan, to be awarded by our judge.
Ayan,
Congratulations.
At syempre, i-award na rin natin ang ating Mr. Sexy Body Beautiful First Runner-up.
Ayan, with an average score of 89.33%.
Our Mr. Sexy Body Beautiful First Runner-up goes to number 10.
Congratulations, Mr. Sexy Body Beautiful number 10. Ayan, nag-awarded ko ang card. Ako? Picture? Once again, congratulations.
At syempre, our Bikini Open Champion, our Miss Bikini Open Champion with an average score of
93.67% ang tatanghaling Miss Bikini Open 2025 ng Barangay Malanday.
Plus candidate number 6.
Ayan, congratulations, Miss Sexy Body Beautiful number 6. Our Bikini Open 2025.
Thank you so much.
Once again, congratulations,
Candidate
our...
number 6 for the
Yes.
being Miss
And
Bikini
last
Open.
but not the least, partner,
Our Mr. Bikini Open
2025 ng Barangay Malanday
with an average score of 91.67.
ay si number
Number 5.
Mr. Sexy Body Beautiful number 5. Congratulations sa ating winner ngayong gabi. Ayan. Muli, congratulations sa lahat ng nanalo sa ating Bikini Open 2025 for men and women.
Take a picture muna yung ating mga
Sa bunda agora eu quero
winner.
ver você descer.
At syempre,
Sa bunda
Barangay
agora eu quero
Malanday.
ver você descer.
Muli po,
Sa bunda agora eu
palakpakan
quero
natin
ver
ang
você
ating
descer.
music po. Medyo babaan po ng music. DJ yung music po, medyo babaan. Maraming
Ayan,
salamat.
muli.
Once again, muli palakpakan natin ang Team Bagong Marikina at Kilos Pagbabago sa panguna po ni Mayora Teacher Stella Kimpo, Vice Mayor Del Arte Guzman, Congressman Coco Pimentel at syempre ang ating mga konsihal.
Konsihal, yes,
ng Team
kasama natin
Bagong
ngayon.
Marikina.
Si Consihal Guard Africa, Consihal VJ Tambuli Sabiniano, at
Consihal
Consihal
Guard
Medic
Medic
Perez.
Perez. Ayan.
Diba?
At syempre, Barangay Malanday, kita-kits tayo bukas
Sa Grand Basan at Lubluban, kaya ilabas namin yung mga swimming pool, batya, timba lahat para mapunuan na ng
Muli
tubig.
po, Barangay Malanday.